In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello template from board. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any existing board into a reusable template and how to create new boards from it whenever you need without rebuilding your setup from scratch. First, open the Trello board you want to reuse. This can be any board you've already organized with the lists, labels, and cards you like. Templates are great for recurring workflows. Think onboarding, content calendars, or project kickoffs. So pick a board that represents a process you want to repeat. If you want to make this board a template so you can come back to this exact setup anytime, look to the top right of your board. You'll see a three-dot icon next to the Share button. Click that three-dot menu to open more options for the board. In that menu, choose Make Template. Trello will prompt you to confirm this change. Click Make Template again to finish converting it. Once it's a template, Trello treats it a little differently. It's now a master version you can copy from. You'll usually see a template banner or badge to let you know you're working on a template rather than a regular board. You can now close any confirmation pop-up or banner with the X and you're ready to use your template. To try it out right away, use the option that appears on the template header and select Create Board from Template. This tells Trello you want to spin up a fresh board that looks just like the template. When the creation window opens, give your new board a clear title. Choose something that reflects the project or use case so it's easy to find later. If you see options for workspace or visibility, pick the workspace where this board should live and set the visibility that matches your needs. Private for sensitive work or workspace visible if your team needs to collaborate. Some setups also let you choose what to copy from the template, like labels, checklists, and card descriptions. Keeping these on typically saves the most time. Click Create to generate the new board. Trello will build it with the same lists, labels, and general structure as your template. From here, you can customize details for this specific project without changing the original template. That's the key advantage. Edits on the new board don't affect your master template. Now, let's say it's a different day and you want to create another board from your saved templates. At the top of Trello, near the search bar, click the Create button. In the menu that appears, choose Start with a Template. This takes you to Trello's template picker. Go to the My Templates section to see the templates you've saved to your account or workspace. Select the template you just made, your reusable master board. You'll be taken to a preview where you can start a new board from it. Next, type a new board title. Again, keeping names specific helps you stay organized when you have multiple projects running. If you're prompted, confirm the workspace and visibility settings so the right people can access it immediately. This is also a good time to double check any copy options if they're shown, ensuring your new board includes the elements you rely on, like labels and checklists. Finally, click Create. Trello will launch your new board, fully based on your template, and ready for your team to use. From here, you can assign members, add due dates, and attach files, knowing your underlying structure is consistent every time. That's it. You've converted a board into a template, created a board from that template, and learned how to find and reuse your templates later. Use this approach to keep your processes consistent, save time, and help your team ramp up quickly on any recurring workflow.